Hello guys, I'm Sharmila. Today I'll be sharing some of the home decor items which I got from Amazon. I recently shifted in a new house and got many items for home decor, and I thought it would be good to share it with on my YouTube channel so that other people can also benefit from what I have purchased and give the reviews for it. So guys, my first product is this beautiful vase. This is a home center product which I got it online from Amazon. This vase, you can see, has a very nice size. And it looks very pretty. The next product is this beautiful tray. This is a glass finished tray with crystal work on the sides, and it looks really amazing when you place it on the coffee table with the vase I showed earlier. So my third product is this coffee table runner. This again I got from Amazon. It has a decent cloth quality. The back side is in black color, and I got this to match with my decor of black, gray and red. As you can see, this looks pretty decent, though the quality could have been a bit better, but for the price value, this runner is perfect. So the next product I am sharing with you are these cushion covers. These are 16 by 16 cushion cover which I got from Amazon. I didn't expect it to be such a good quality, but the front side has a shimmery shiny effect, and the back side is also pretty decent white cloth. The zip is on the top, and the zip is also of good quality. As you can see, I have filled a 16 by 16 cushion into it, and it looks really nice, and the decor along with my sofa looks really amazing. I'll show you how it looks when placed properly. This is a set of 5 with different patterns for each cushion, as you can see. So the next product is again a cushion cover, which is a red velvet cushion cover. This is size 14 by 14. It's a non-standard size because of the customized cushion we got made for our sofa. The quality again is pretty decent. Price I'll mention in the description box. I think I got it for rupees 1000, and quality wise it is velvet on both the sides, and it has a zip closure. If you see, this looks pretty nice decked up with the other cushion cover which I shared earlier. Let me just put it all together and show how it looks together. So guys, this is how my sofa looks with all the matching, or rather non-matching cushion sets. The floral ones you see in the middle are ones I got from a local shop some time back, I think 1 or 2 years back, so I don't remember what exactly was the price. So this is how it looks. So the next product is this beautiful floor lamp. I got it from Amazon, and I shared a video earlier of the installation of this. Please excuse the balloons at the back, as it was my daughter's birthday day before yesterday. This lamp looks really good and stylish when you put it on the corner. I'll just light it up and show you how it looks. Since it's daytime, it's not giving a proper effect, but I'll attach a picture of night and it looks really beautiful and just makes the decor look superb. So the next product is this diffuser which I got from Amazon some days back. This looks really pretty and cute. I'll just light it up and show how it looks. It's empty right now, but you're supposed to put water and oil on the top. As you can see, it gives a beautiful light, and in the evening it looks really pretty with oil and water on this top hollow place. It gives out a beautiful aroma depending on what diffuser oil you are using. So guys, the next product is this beautiful vase I got from Amazon. This is again a home center product, and I did not expect it to be so big. If you can see my hand, this is really big in size, and with flowers it looks really pretty. Gives a very nice feel to my living space. So guys, the next product is this beautiful table mat which I got from Amazon. It's a jute mat and the work is really very beautiful, as you can see, and the quality wise also it's really nice. Price again I'll mention in the description box. Right now I've just placed it on my dining table with some decorative stuff and it looks really pretty. So the next product is this beautiful wall clock. I had great apprehension on buying this because I wasn't sure how it will look, but as you can see, combined with this lamp, this side of the wall looks really amazing, and I'm really satisfied and happy with this clock. It has been 6 months and the clock is working absolutely fine. So my next product is this feng shui tree. This again I got from Amazon. It came in a nice packing. You can see these are small stones which are attached. This is a wire in the form of a stem, and these are small glittery pebbles which are placed on the bottom. It looks pretty decent for the price on which I got it, and can give a nice pop to wherever you place it for decor. So the final product is this Eiffel Tower which again I got from Amazon. I had really high hopes from this, but maybe I was a little misinformed with respect to the size. This is really small, as you can see against my hand. My hand itself is small and this looks really small, though the finishing, if you can see, the finishing is good, but the size is really small.